Step 1. Perform a quick external inspection for dents, liquid damage, or loose ports. Confirm the charger and USB-C cable using a known good adapter and cable. Inspect the USB-C/charging ports and DC-in area for bent pins or debris. Remove the bottom screws and open the case to expose the internal components. Disconnect the battery connector to isolate power and prevent accidental shorts. Attempt an SMC reset following the A1989 procedures and note any LED or fan response. Inspect the logic board under magnification for burned components, lifted capacitors, or corrosion. Check and reseat display, battery, and power connectors with careful close-up attention. Use a multimeter to measure DC-in voltage at the power jack and battery terminals. If a short or open circuit appears, isolate the faulty section by disconnecting suspect components and retesting. Replace damaged components or connectors, then reconnect the battery and secure the chassis. Power on and verify successful boot, run diagnostics, and conclude with a brief repair summary.